Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Yardi Voyager. In order to do so, here we are at yardi.com/products/Yardi-Voyager. And according to the homepage, Yardi offers smarter solutions for places that matter. You can request more information. And Voyager is a web-based, fully integrated end-to-end multi-platform with mobile access for larger portfolios to manage operations, execute leasing, run analytics, and provide innovative resident, tenant, and investor services. With a solution and best-of-breed product suite designed for every real estate market, including commercial, multifamily, affordable, senior, PHA, and military housing, Voyager helps you meet all of your property management and accounting needs using a single database to run your entire business. Voyager automates workflows and provides system-wide transparency that enables you to work more productively and collaboratively than ever before. Using any browser and mobile device, Voyager gives you instant access to your data, and as a SaaS platform, Voyager frees you from managing your software so you can focus on your business. Got a video here we can watch. We can join a webinar. We can request more info. With Yardi, you have unrivaled solution for residential property management built into a single mobile software platform. For many of our residential Voyager platforms, add products from Yardi Multifamily Suite and Rent Cafe Suite to achieve a full business solution that increases business intelligence and helps you work smarter and be more competitive and cut costs. So you can see here that we have residential, affordable housing, PHA, senior housing, condo, co-op, HOA, military housing, social housing, and student housing. Yardi offers the widest array of solutions for the commercial real estate market, built into a single platform with the most comprehensive set of management and accounting tools. For many of our commercial Voyager platforms, add products from Commercial Suite to achieve a full business solution that gives you a holistic view into business intelligence, and it helps you increase efficiency and improve decision making. Yardi products are available in the United States, including its territory of Puerto Rico, as well as internationally. So if you want to take advantage of Yardi, then you can see here that they have the link for the property management software. So you can come to their site, you can request more information. I'd recommend taking a look at this video here for more information about the platform as well. And you can join a webinar and request more info here. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find links to our X page. We'd love to have you there. We have information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, and you can see our top AI tool recommendations. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.